Hi everyone, it's me again, Manisha, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about what does revamping a training program look like. So again, a little bit about me for those who don't know about me. I am a learning and development professional. I have over 15 years of experience, and I really like to talk about what does a learning and um, training and development career look like, and how you can join. And so some of the aspects that I talk about on my channel are about what are the different projects that take place in a training and development program, what are the different aspects that you should be aware of. And today I'll be talking about what are the questions to ask and what is it important to think about when you want to revamp a training and development program that's already in progress, it's already taking place. So there's special considerations that need to be taken as part of your decision making when you're thinking about how to revamp a training program. One of the things that you need to think about is what does the current program structure look like? So, for example, how many instructors there are, what are the different courses that are currently being offered, what are the topics that those courses are on. Just sort of a very bird's eye view of what are the platforms, the software systems that learners need to be able to navigate to enroll into the program. So just to really understand what the program looks like overall. And the next thing you want to take into consideration is who is going to take the training. So is it going to be mid-level managers? Is it going to be new graduates joining the company? Is it going to be people who need just-in-time training to be able to access documents quickly or a process quickly and start implementing it right away? Or is it going to be seasoned employees who have many years of experience and they just need to get updated on some of the skills that are going to be required of them? So it's really important to take into consideration who exactly is going to be taking the training and how it will benefit them in their day-to-day job. Next thing you want to consider is how long are the trainings? So are they, 7 to 8 hour long day trainings? And, managers are expected to be able to have a backup plan for, that employee being out for that training day? Or is the training going to be sort of split over 3 days where, the learner can do 3 to 4 hours per day, and it's going to be, in a particular week that that you know the team members and the manager are prepared for. So it's really important to know how long are the trainings and what kind of support the learner is getting from their team members, from their managers, and from all sides. It's really important to consider what's already being done and what's working right now and what needs to be improved upon. So as you think about what needs to be improved upon in a training program, think about, you know, is if currently all the trainings are being given in person, for example, or are live virtual, can they be turned into self-paced web-based trainings, or can they be turned into documentation that the learner can just go through at their time, rather than being something that they're watching? Are there different modalities being offered for the same content? Because all learners have their own preferences, their own styles, and then also they want to be able to take a training when it's convenient for them, and how the um, the exact way that they're getting the training is convenient. Are they micro bite-sized courses? Are they just, longer trainings, like I mentioned earlier, that are, 7 to 8 hours long, that require dedication and planning ahead of time? And is the learner being supported through that? Um, as we see, in very recently, as more self-paced courses have become um, more, they give that ability to learners to be able to take self-paced at their own time, at their own convenience, and this can be an encouraging factor and a motivation for the learner to take that training. And micro trainings or bite-sized trainings are very convenient as well. They can be done in 15 to 20 minutes long, and it feels like there's progress being made from the learner side, and that's also encouragement to keep that momentum going. And last but not least, are the trainings individual based or are they cohort or group based, where learners have to continue with a certain group of people throughout that program, the training program. So this is important to know for setting up the logistics for enrollment, setting up how many iterations of a certain course or training will run. And this will provide a great, overall sort of understanding that what kinds of courses can be, um, you know, there's benefit for group-based and project-based courses and where they can be implemented and how often they can be throughout the training program. So I hope that you like this video. I hope that that you'll subscribe, and it would be great to have you in one of my courses in the future. I would love to tell you more. Just reach out to me at riselearningdesign@gmail.com, and I do offer coaching and a program that will help you to become more it will help you to learn more about what the learning and development career and field looks like. Thank you. Bye.